9. Can bad tire balance affect the power steering pump on a Mini Cooper? While bad tire balance itself may not directly damage the power steering pump, it can contribute to vibrations and strain on the steering system, which, over time, can impact the longevity of the power steering pump and related components. Here's why and how bad tire balance can be detrimental to your Mini Cooper's steering system. Vibrations and steering issues. Unbalanced tires cause vibrations, which you might feel in the steering wheel or throughout the vehicle. These vibrations can worsen at higher speeds, affecting steering stability and handling, notes United Tires. Increased wear and tear. The constant vibration and uneven stress from imbalanced tires can accelerate wear and tear on various steering and suspension components, such as bearings, tie rods, ball joints, and shocks. Strain on the power steering system. As these components wear down, the power steering pump might have to work harder to compensate for the increased resistance and maintain steering control, potentially shortening its lifespan. Potential for premature failure. While not a direct cause, the added stress and strain on the steering system from unbalanced tires can indirectly contribute to the premature failure of the power steering pump or other components. In summary, while bad tire balance might not be the immediate culprit for a power steering pump failure, it is a significant contributor to overall stress and wear on your Mini Cooper's steering system. It's crucial to address any signs of unbalanced tires promptly to protect your steering components and ensure safe driving. What to do if you suspect bad tire balance? Consult a professional. Have a qualified mechanic or tire specialist inspect your Mini Cooper to diagnose the issue and determine if the tires need balancing or if there are other underlying steering or suspension problems. Says Evans Tire. Perform regular tire maintenance. Ensure your tires are properly inflated and rotated according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Address vibrations promptly. If you experience any vibrations or unusual steering behaviors, have your Mini Cooper checked immediately to prevent further damage.